Hi, I'm Neha. I recently graduated from the Masters in IT Digitalization and Sustainability program at Hochschule Luzern. As a part of my dual degree, I did an exchange at Vienna. I graduated with a Master's in Software Engineering from FH Technikum Wien. I personally was interested in the software engineering degree because of the variety of courses like databases and system design that were offered. The university at Vienna is very similar to our home university, and I do think that the international community is much bigger and much more vibrant because there are students coming in from all across the world. Vienna is an excellent choice for anyone who's looking for an exciting experience in terms of architecture, sites, or even an international exposure at the university. I do believe everyone should visit at least once.